is Wayne Brady. Wayne Brady's the winner tonight. We're going to do a scene for you called Foreign Film Dub. And what's going to happen is Jeff and I are going to pretend to speak in a foreign language. What foreign language would you like us to speak? Spanish. As the first screen dub thing I heard, Spanish. And if you're a Spanish film director making action films, what would the name of your Spanish action film be? El Donkey. El Donkey. El Donkey. And Ryan, you're going to translate for me. Colin, you're going to translate for Jeff. El Donkey in Spanish.
Señor, necesito un burro.
Hey, nice suit.
El Conchita Modita Moreta Marisa Marita Marita.
Thank you very much. Have you seen my ass?
Qué bueno. También no tengo pantalones.
I have seen the donkey you talk of. It wears funny pants.
Oh, El Burro.
This burro is my only friend. Him and I watch Baywatch together.
¡Ay, ay, ay! ¡Dios! ¡Tú y el burro! ¡No!
You mean when they walk in slow motion? I love that!
Excuse me. El Burro es quisca para usted batisca. I can't speak Spanish.
¿Otra vez?
El Burro, si te moris, mañana.
Excuse me. I will sell you my... I will sell you my...
Excuse me?
I will sell you... Oh, I'm not Spanish at all.
¡Ay, vergüenza! Que hicimos lo condón que se le burro se va llorando en la calle por el que te los sobenatas. Es que burro te lleva a tomar costepas. Bien, bien.
My God, a Peruvian mime!
I have an outie belly button and I live in a small house.